Rolling out new marketing technology can feel like moving houses. Boxes everywhere, nothing in the right place, and weeks before you're actually settled. With SalesboxAI, it's the opposite. You go from login to live campaigns in days, not months. Step 1, sign up. Verify your email. Boom, you're in. Step 2, meet your AI agents. SalesboxAI supports multiple agents, from a GTM agent designed for large-scale engagement to a sales rep agent built for qualification and handoffs. SalesboxAI configures them based on your go-to market motion. Think of them as your extended teammates, de-anonymizing website visitors, identifying intent signals, managing outreach, follow-ups, and driving engagement. While you sip your coffee, your agents are working behind the scenes to drive pipeline and revenue growth. Step 3. Share your account list, suppression list, and assets for the Asset Hub. No more oops emails to competitors. Step 4. Define your buyer personas. Define their pain points, triggers, and favorite CTAs so every message lands like it was written just for them. Step 5. Create your emails and send them to SalesboxAI for delivery. Your agents will use these emails to deliver personalized messages. Just like that, your agents are ready to start working. SalesboxAI agents identify buying group members, qualify leads, listen for intent signals, and send instant sales alerts the moment they are ready to engage. Getting started with SalesboxAI is easier than your last MAP rollout. Smarter targeting and faster launches. SalesboxAI. Leverage AI to drive pipeline and revenue growth. Book a meeting today.